Yo, what is good and what is Gucci, everybody? It's your boy Kill Aesthetics back today with a brand new video. And today you see me in my work clothes. I do work at Publix. I am a baker, and right now I'm driving, so I shouldn't be doing this, so let me lower this. Yeah, man, I actually just thought of a video idea leaving my local thrift, and the idea was how you can make your thrifted goods, your thrifted clothes, whatever it is, look brand new. And I have a technique that I've been using for a couple months now. Never really told nobody, but it really gives your thrifted clothes that brand new feel, like getting like some brand new clothes. It is a little more costlier than just regular thrifting and then throw it in the wash, but it does give it that like wow factor. So I do have a bunch of thrifted stuff down here. Sorry, I keep looking this way. I'm trying not to die today. So yeah, I got a whole bunch of stuff. Here you are. Hope you see that. Boom, boom. A hat. Some bunch of stuff in that bag. So let me go ahead and drive and not die, and I'll see you when we get back. Peace.
Popping tags, a nigga looking frugal. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Popping tags, a nigga looking frugal. Yeah. I can understand y'all like doodle. Yeah. Next to my bad bitch, I only do good. Yeah. And so much chains on me, feeling frugal. Yeah. Send you up way at the next to Pluto. Yeah. Pussy nigga sweet, tastes like strudel. Yeah. Colombian poppy nigga eating churros, yeah. Till I'm everywhere, don't know where to go, yeah.
Alright guys, so quick disclaimer, this hat, let me actually show you. This hat right here is part of the thrifted good. Can't even say thrifted good, but this will be a separate video on how to restore your thrifted. I can't even say that shit. How to restore your thrifted hats, so watch out. It'll probably be the video right after this one, but right now we're just focusing on clothes, so let's keep driving.
She going down and she gets sloppy toppy, eating hibachi, feel like Mufasa, I own this property, so if you step to me, bust out the shotty, buffer my coffee, back to the move, these niggas copy, showing I prove, call me smooth, she wanna fuck so she slide through like Lou, ooh, yeah, young and busting plays, I'm feeling frugal, yeah, bitch I got the juice, the sound is too cold, yeah. All my niggas turn, we sippin' Nuvo, yeah. And when I wanna flex, I'm rockin' Hugo, yeah. A nigga feelin' frugal, yeah, 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 yeah.
Alright guys, so we just dropped off our stuff at the cleaners. And yes, that is my secret. Right after you leave the thrift, man, just go straight to the dry cleaners and let them handle it. Let them get all the musk, all the dirt, all the nasty shit that the thrift brings, and clean them up brand new for you. So after this, we'll be back at the house so you can check out all the pieces. Let's go. Yo, what is good and what is Gucci, everybody? It's your boy Kill Aesthetics back today with a brand new video. And today, as you saw with the clips prior, we have the how to turn your thrifted goods looking brand new. So I got the pieces in the back that we took to the dry cleaners. Let me go get them. Alright guys, here we have them. Since I already took you through the process, I'm not going to spend too long on each piece. Just want to tell you a little bit about it and why I picked it up. So here we have it. First off, this Reebok NHL New Jersey Devils tee. Definitely fire, straight dad steez, and I am from Jersey, so this was a must cop. Also was brand new with tags, so definitely if you look through the thrift good enough, definitely find some new stuff with tags, straight dad steez, and fucking fire. You already know. Also have this Life is Good tee, swing music. Had a tee like this prior, same colorway, same brand. Just had to breathe in the front instead of swing music, and I got lots of wear out of it. So had to pick up another one. This one was also brand new with tags. Next up, probably my second favorite tee. It is this Pro Player Marlins Championship from 1997 tee. Really fire. Also brand new with tags. There's only one tee in this, no, two tees in this bundle that are not brand new with tags. So this is fire. And I'm from Florida, bro. So definitely had to pick this up. Super essential, super fire. Next up are the two ones that weren't dead stock. This Columbia Hawaiian tee, I just love the colorway, and I feel like it could go with a lot of stuff in my wardrobe, a lot of kicks that I have as well, so a must cop. And then my favorite tee that I picked up is this majestic New York Yankees tee. From the front, it looks kind of simple, you know, off-white with a little hits of baby blue, and, you know, it looks fire, vintage. But boom, once you turn it to the back, it is super fire. You see all the ticket stubs from every year that they won the World Series, I think. Don't quote me on that. I'm not a big baseball fan like that, so I'm just assuming that that's what it looks like. And it says Yankees history, super fire. And with this bag, bro, you could definitely wear a lot with it because it has a lot of different colors on it, and it would just go with a lot. And overall, my favorite tee, super fire. But guys, that is all that I have for you. Hopefully y'all like this process and maybe might want to try it yourself. So let me know in the comments below if you are, because to me it's definitely worth it. It definitely gives your thrifted goods a more brand new, more better feel when you put them on than just throwing them in the washer and dryer at the crib. So definitely go ahead and try it out. Let me know if you guys like it, and if you enjoy this content, hit that like button down below, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel because we're trying to reach 1K by the end of the year. So go ahead and tell your cousins, sister, baby daddies, brothers, auntie about the best men's fashion channel on YouTube, and tell them to subscribe. You already know what it is. And like always, it's your boy Killer Aesthetics out.
Hashtag rolling, floating, blowing, good gas, hella potent, might just tap that, switching lanes with the top down, red and blue. Stay on lookout, do the dash, and gon' smash.